A big little shout out to Simon Cox.
Simon Cox?
What's up, bro? What's up, bro? Benjamin. Benny. Ben.
I ready, teacher assigned.
No.
I wish I could.
Adrian cook.
Adrian, I ready, teacher assigned.
Yeah, Adrian, yeah.
What? You keep talking to me like. Well, that's why you got your top.
Jay, I ready.
She's not even on already.
I know, that's why he's getting ready to get sent out. Gotta go. Sorry, Could, I would, but I can't, so.
Hold on, I'm gonna get some.
I know.
Where's my pencil?
Hold on, I'm getting
Give
it.
my pencil.
That way, if I say it
Give
again.
me my pencil.
Hold on, Armani, hold on.
Yeah, it was on FaceTime.
Oh, nice. There you go. She's lying. I was trying to get someone in trouble. Don't say that, bro.
It's good motto. Let me
No,
go.
come on, I'm not gonna let you get in trouble. You're gonna get in trouble if you go back there.
Let me go.
You need to go, come on, let's go.
You're stretching it
All right,
out.
come on, let's go. Renee, I'm gonna call the office.
Yeah. Yeah.
All right, if I come by and you're not on iReady, I'm sending you out. Where's your iReady? Buddy,